Okay, what I did last year, we're going to redo a wreath. And most of you that are with me or have been with me for a long time, you saw me put this together. It's a bunny. It's a grapevine wreath shaped like a bunny. I'm going to take everything off of it, the eggs and everything, and I'm just going to put it on to my boxwood that I use all the time. And I'm just going to put carrots because in my den I do a lot of Mackenzie Child and carrots on my mantle. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to heat up my glue gun, and I'm only going to glue a very, very tiny bit of glue just to hold them, but where it's easy for me to take them off when I'm done. And as I disassemble the bunny, some of the stuff has fallen off. I need to get more carrots. I need to get different size carrots, actually. That's really all I need to get. What's nice about grapevines is you can put picks. Okay, this one I'm not going to try. I'm just going to cut it off and leave it. I got all of these little tiny tulips at Joann's, but Joann's is going out of business. No, I take that back. You know what? It wasn't Joann's, it was Michael's, so you're safe. If you want to get little ones. Okay. All right. I'm going to take the greenery off. And that's how I stuck the greenery in, was with these floral pins. I'm not sure. I know I don't have all my plaques and stuff out. Not sure what I'm gonna do here. Not sure yet. Okay, so I'm just going to, when I say a little bit, I really do mean a little bit. Look at that tiny little dot, no joke. Because that way it'll be easy for me to take off. It's gonna barely be on here. And I'm putting this bow that I took off, I'm going to put it into this one because it gives it enough orange. Plus I really like this ribbon duck on it, and I can't remember what I can't remember if I have any more, but I really like it. One of my biggest pet peeves when it comes to crafting are the glue strings from the hot glue gun. Oh, it drives me nuts. I painted all of these eggs. I have a video on it. I'll try to find which one it is and put it up. I love decorating with carrots for Easter. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't even remember where I got these, to be honest with you. Some from Dollar Tree, some from Hobby Lobby. And I always hold it up every once in a while to see how it looks. Think what I have that I'd like to put in the middle here. I'm drawing a blank. I made a different wreath. I'll put that video for sure in with this one in the description box. That one was beautiful, and I did it from looking at Mackenzie Child, the catalog, and tried to replicate it to some degree. Oh my gosh, it really turned out pretty. If I had room to house all of the things that I make, I would have kept that one. I normally don't. I'll disassemble, like this one will be disassembled after Easter, and then I'll put lemons or bees or ladybugs, probably lemons. But I never keep them because I don't have the room. So I just repurpose what I have, you know? I just don't have the room. And I don't have an attic. I don't have a basement. This green is a perfect green for Mackenzie Child because they use a really bright, like a Kelly. I don't know if it's a Kelly. Sure, now that I said that. Ow. To the side, if I want something in the middle and more carrots, I'm not sure. I found this. I printed this out. And I'm going to glue, I had one but it came off. I'm going to glue this, I'm going to stick it in here. Cottontail Farms Farm Fresh, locally grown, carrot company. Perfect. Okay. Look how cute that is, and it sticks up enough. Oh yeah, that's cute. So I might leave it like that, Or I might, I don't know if this would hide too much, but I was going to, you know what, I could nestle this to where it doesn't hide anything. You know what I'm going to do with that bunny? Take this contact paper. This is going to be adorable. I'm going to take this contact paper and trace it and put it on the back of this bunny so I can leave this part white, so if I want to keep it that way for something else down the road. Okay, see, it's all coming together now. See, that's what I do. I just have to keep looking at something. One thing about that grapevine, that bunny, it sheds so much. It drives me nuts. So, I'm going to want it on the back, so I got to trace it this way. This is from Dollar Tree. I love this contact paper. I'm trying to get an unwrinkled. I'm going to come from this end, it's not so wrinkled. I'm going to go right there. Okay. Okay, I got to roll it the opposite way so it'll quit curling up. All right, I'm going to go cut this and then I'll bring you back. Okay, so here's our blank bunny. I cut out the contact paper. The only thing with this contact paper, it's really flimsy. And you don't want it to lay on itself. Oh, how cute. Oh, that's adorable. Make sure to get all your bubbles out. Okay, let's get the wreath. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I don't even have to glue her or anything. Okay, I'll be back and I'll show you where I'm putting it. Oh my gosh, you guys, it turned out so cute. I love it. I don't think I'll add any more carrots or anything to it. It's perfect. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, get your wreath out. Go to Dollar Tree, get a bunny, some contact paper. Oh, this turned out adorable. It looks adorable. I'm so happy with it. Guys, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.